Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a neon glow effect with PicsArt. So creating a neon glow effect in PicsArt is easy and it will look amazing for your social media posts, edits, and artistic portraits. And this is a step-by-step guide to achieve the neon glow effect using PicsArt. So first you can just open your image and PicsArt. So just launch PicsArt app and then tap on the plus icon and select a photo from your gallery. Okay, so here for example, I'm going to just choose this photos right here. And the next step is for you to use the draw tool to create the neon outline. So just swipe the toolbar at the bottom and then tap on draw, this one, and then here you can just select the brush tool and select the paintbrush icon. Here just tap on the brush setting and choose a soft round brush with a thin size. So I'm going to just use this one and adjust the size to, let's just try 5. Okay, this one. You can adjust the color that you prefer for your neon shade. You can use a bright pink, blue, green, or others. Here I'm going to just choose, let's use bright pink. Okay, click on the check icon and then you can just use some finger or stylus to draw the outlines around the subject or key details. So just draw it like this. I'm sorry if it's not good. Okay, now you can just tap on the check icon at the top, and here after that, after you are done outlining, you can just tap on effects at the bottom and here find the neon effect. So you can find it under the artistic category, this one, neon. Here you can just adjust the intensity by clicking on it. You can adjust the line, the brightness, and also the fade. And after that, this is optional. You can also add a neon shape. You can just find sticker options and search for a neon circle or a neon frame. So let's just find a neon circle. For example, this one, let's just use this. You can adjust it to how you like it. Okay, I think I'm going to just use the neon frame. Let's just find, hopefully there's the neon frame that I can use for my photo. Okay, so there it is. Let's try use this one right here, adjust the size, and this is the result. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.